Hello, friends, and welcome to a lesson on making family trees. I think this is a lesson that you will really grow with. And it's pretty simple to make, but there is some searching you'll have to do. For the meantime, make sure you have a piece of blank paper and a piece of lined paper, and you're going to need some pencils. And notice the colors I've chosen. I've got a brown, I've got some greens, I've got a regular pencil as well. Let's start with the retrieval of information. We've got to make a list of people we are related to. And the first person that's going to go on that list is you. But I'm going to write me, because that's going to be you. The next thing you want to put on there is the name of all of your siblings. Those are brothers and sisters and any other children in your house that are related to you. Also, you're going to want to put down the name of your parents. And then think about if you have any cousins. Children in your family that are related to you, but related to parents that are related to your mom and your dad. And we need those parents as well. Please write down the names of all your uncles and your aunts. And last but not least, we need your grandparents' names. And you may have two sets of those. Most families will have at least two pairs of grandmother and grandfather. So do make sure you're writing down the names of your grandmothers and grandfathers. Now, you're welcome to go past this into the territory of great-grandmothers and grandfathers and great-great-grandmothers and grandfathers. But for this lesson, I'm going to stop right at grandmothers and grandfathers. So let's make up a sample list to make our tree with, because all of ours are going to be different. There's going to be different amounts of people in our families. So first I'll write down me. I'm going to make up a fictional family. Samuel. And let's say I have one brother. His name is Greg. It's a pretty cool name. I've got two parents. That's Dave and Donna. Yeah. And if you don't know your parents' names, please feel free to ask them. I bet they would be willing to share that information with you. Oh, as far as cousins, I have three cousins, Jill, Bill, and from my other uncle and aunt, I know I have another cousin named Linda. That works. Okay, so three cousins. Notice I made a little bit of a separation here because I want to remember Linda is from another family there. Now my uncles and aunts, Jill and Bill, are from my dad's sister, Wendy. And she has a husband named, let's say, John. And my other uncle-aunt pair, my mother has a brother named, you know what? It's Barry. And Barry also has a wife, and her name is Cindy. It works pretty well, and together they have Linda. And then I have my grandmothers and grandfathers. Super important. There is John, and let's say another Jill. It runs well in this family. And my other grandmother and grandfather, their names are, let's keep this super easy, we'll say Betty and Bob. That works. So I've got grandparents 2 and grandparents 1. Uncle and aunt 1 and uncle and aunt 2. I've got cousin group 1 and cousin group 2. I've got my parents' names. I've got my brother's name. I've got my name. Fantastic. We're ready to begin our tree. So please bring your paper back over here. And you might like to have your list on this side. I actually keep my list on that side. I'm going to start near the bottom, and actually the first thing I'm going to do is draw two big, thick roots. This is very important. So there's one, and hey, I could even add a little bit of a charm to that by adding a little bit extra. And I'm going to come to the other side and also come down and make another big, thick root, because I'm going to be writing inside of these, okay? I'm going to do that real quick and just make sure that I put my grandparents here, John and Jill, and my other grandparents on this side, Betty and Bob. Fantastic. Now, what's going to happen is this side of the tree is the family that came from John and Jill. This side of the tree is the families that came from Betty and Bob. And at the top, we're going to work towards our immediate family, because this is showing us our extended family. Now we have to put in all the children of John and Jill and Betty and Bob. That's your parents and your uncles and aunts. So let's start with the uncles and aunts, because we want to end up with you at the top of the tree. So I'm going to come on up and draw a branch right there. Nice thick branch. I'm going to put the uncle or aunt that is directly related to me on the branch and their partner underneath. I believe that was Wendy, and she is married to John. Uncle John, he's a great guy. Okay, and on the other side, remember there was Barry and Cindy. So I'm also going to make sure to put a branch for Barry and Cindy. There's Barry and Cindy. Now, I also mentioned I have some cousins, and that's Jill and Bill under Wendy and John, and Linda for Barry and Cindy. For Wendy and John, with the two cousins, I'm going to extend this branch to 2 points. And on each of those points, I'm going to draw a nice big leaf, because I've got to fit some names in those leaves. These are my cousins. And my cousins' names were Jill and Bill. Barry and Cindy also have a daughter named Linda, so this branch is just going to end in 1 point with 1 leaf for Linda. Let's get Linda's name in there. Fantastic. So at this point, I have my grandparents as the roots. This side of the family, I have my uncle and aunt. This side of the family, I have my uncle and aunt, and I've started putting in my cousins. So now I have to put in my parents. Well, one parent came from this side of the family. The other parent came from this side of the family. So unless I have any other uncles or aunts, I am now going to work on getting my tree to get joined together. Might be tricky. It might almost be nice to have a much bigger family, right? There we go, up, 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 and I have a brother. So this branch is going to be for my parents, but I do want to make sure I split it at the top for myself and my siblings. The first thing I'm going to do on this side, I'm going to write the parent that came from that side. And I believe it was Dave, my dad. And on this side, I'm going to write my mom, Donna, which just leads me and my brother. So I'll come up to the top, I'll make a nice leaf, and please, if you need more room, get an even bigger piece of paper, because maybe your family is really big. There's me. Put myself on top because I am the oldest, and there is Greg. Now there is my family tree, and I might take some colored pencils and decorate it up, but I actually have one that is completely finished already right here, which shows pretty much my actual family tree. You can see all my uncles and aunts from one side of the family and all my uncles and aunts from the other side of the family joining together with my parents and me and my actual brother and sister. So check out this ultra cool family tree history lesson. I can't wait to see what you are able to grow, friends.